TradingLite versus Exocharts. Which order flow platform is better? Choosing the right order flow platform can transform your trading precision without overwhelming complexity. TradingLite offers advanced heat maps, while Exocharts focuses on detailed footprint charts. TradingLite and Exocharts are both powerful order flow platforms designed to enhance market analysis. The core difference lies in their visualization approach. TradingLite emphasizes heat map-based volume profiles, while Exocharts delivers intricate footprint charts for granular order flow insights. TradingLite is an order flow platform centered around heat map visualizations, providing traders with a dynamic view of market liquidity and volume concentration. It works by aggregating real-time order book data and displaying it as color-coded heat maps that highlight areas of high trading activity. This visual approach helps traders quickly identify support and resistance zones, as well as momentum shifts. Strengths of TradingLite include its intuitive interface, customizable settings, and the ability to overlay volume profiles directly on price charts. It supports a variety of futures markets and integrates well with popular trading platforms. However, TradingLite's heat map focus may not provide the same level of detailed bid-ask data as footprint charts, which some traders prefer for precise order flow reading. The ideal user is a trader seeking a visually engaging, fast, and straightforward tool to spot liquidity clusters and volume spikes, without getting lost in overly complex data. Exocharts is an advanced order flow platform known for its detailed footprint charts, which display bid and ask volume at each price level within a candle. It operates by passing market depth and trade data to reveal exact buying and selling pressure, allowing traders to analyze order flow with precision. Exocharts excels in offering granular data on market microstructure such as delta, volume splits, and absorption, making it a favorite among professional futures traders. Its strengths include highly customizable footprint layouts, extensive drawing tools, and robust filtering options. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and potentially overwhelming data density for beginners. Exocharts supports multiple futures exchanges and provides real-time updates with low latency. The ideal user is an experienced trader focused on in-depth order flow analysis who requires precise volume and price action details to inform scalping or day trading strategies. TradingLite and Exocharts cater to different trader preferences through their unique visualizations. TradingLite's heat maps offer a quick, intuitive way to identify liquidity zones and volume clusters, making it ideal for traders who want actionable insights without diving too deep into data complexity. On the other hand, Exocharts' footprint charts provide a microscopic view of bid-ask dynamics and order execution, which suits traders needing detailed order flow information for precise entries and exits. While TradingLite is easier to learn and visually striking, Exocharts demands more expertise but rewards with richer data. The trade-off is between simplicity and depth. TradingLite speeds up decision-making with clear volume heat maps, whereas Exocharts excels in detailed market microstructure analysis. Both platforms support futures trading with real-time data, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize quick visual cues or comprehensive order flow details. Choose TradingLite if you value fast, visual volume heat maps and straightforward order flow insights to quickly identify key market levels with minimal complexity. Exocharts is recommended for traders who demand detailed footprint charts and deep order flow analysis to refine their trading edge. Both platforms excel in futures markets, so select based on your need for either intuitive heat maps or comprehensive bid-ask data to elevate your strategy.